so creepy. There he goes.
So folks, if you're seeing this, kind of help me out here with this. I have a Samsung 22 Android, or 21 anyway. Sorry, husband's talking in the background. We're talking about this weird little orb thing, not the plane that passed. You see the moon is the bright thing right there, and you can see it makes a glare little stream, but this is little, there goes another plane, but above there, the moon, I think that's Venus is what he said. But there's, if you don't see that little orb thing, like if I move my phone, it moves there, but then if I'm holding the phone still, it moves on its own. I cleaned my lenses, so I don't know what this thing is, because I'm tilting it, dummy. See, I'm doing left and right, and it's showing this. Now, if you don't see this afterwards, I don't know. But it only appears at the nighttime, and this mode's in regular mode, and I tried night mode. I don't even know what. Some kind of woo
Gotta be
thing.
a reflection, but
from what? I don't know. If I tilt it down, look, it's not there. But if I tilt it left, tilt it right. Folks,
hold it still as you can and watch it look on.
Okay, now it's me holding it still, folks. See, it's still moving. Okay, I'll stop the recording. Anyone knows? Thank you.